vidIQ. Welcome to the world of vidIQ, the ultimate tool for YouTube creators. Are you ready to take your channel to the next level? Well, look no further. With vidIQ, success is just a click away. Introducing vidIQ, the all-in-one solution designed to help you grow your YouTube channel faster, smarter, and easier than ever before. Whether you're a beginner or an established YouTuber, vidIQ has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at the incredible features that make vidIQ a game-changer for YouTube creators. First up, we have the powerful keyword research tool. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-driven decision-making. With vidIQ, you'll have access to real-time keyword insights that help you optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions, boosting your search rankings and attracting more viewers. But that's not all. vidIQ also offers competitor analysis, allowing you to spy on your competition and stay one step ahead. You'll be able to uncover their top-performing keywords, see what's working for them, and leverage that knowledge to grow your own channel. And let's not forget about vidIQ's unique scorecard system. It provides you with instant feedback on how well your video is optimized for success. With valuable recommendations and actionable insights, you can make the necessary adjustments to increase your chances of going viral. As a YouTube creator, managing your channel efficiently is crucial. That's where vidIQ's channel management tools come in handy. From bulk optimization to video scheduling and tracking analytics, vidIQ streamlines your workflow, saving you time and effort so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Understanding your audience is the key to success on YouTube. With vidIQ's audience analytics, you'll gain deep insights into who your viewers are, where they come from, and what content resonates with them the most. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your videos to meet their expectations and build a loyal community. Want to extend your reach beyond YouTube? vidIQ has got you covered there too. With built-in social media promotion features, you can easily share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, reaching a wider audience and driving more traffic to your channel. Don't wait another second. Visit vidIQ.com and unlock the true potential of your YouTube channel. Get ready to